my name's Kira and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look here using the Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. Here she is. So if you're interested in seeing how to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Today I'm going to be doing a look using the Bronze Palette, Natasha Denona's Bronze Palette. That's what she looks like. Again, I haven't really planned out what kind of look I'm going to go for, so we'll just make something up. But the shades I really like are Rhodium, Bliss and Gloaming. That's what they all look like. So I'll use something, one of those I think, maybe two, we will see. So first thing I'm gonna do is going in with my Sigma E40. I'm gonna go into this shade Sundown. And I'm gonna do that in and above my crease. This is my first time using this palette, so I haven't got any experience with the shade, so but that's going on really nicely, so I'm blending out nicely as well. Baby, give me all your love. Baby, give me all your love, all your love, all your love. And so I built that up quite a lot, so it's quite pigmented. Now the same on the other eye. It's not very often I do a bronzy look, so I'm not really sure what shades to go into. Taking a more tapered brush, I'm gonna go into the shade Magma and deepen up that crease. Again, the shade Sundown again, just blend that out, blend those edges. Taking a smaller tapered brush, I'm gonna go into the shade. I'm gonna take the same shade Magma and pop that on the outer corners. And just lightly blend that with the brush we use for the crease. And then going with a shader brush from Sigma, I'm going to go into the shade Gloaming and pop that on my lids. Oh, actually going to take my finger. Like that, and then just blend that out quick with the shade Magma so that we have some definition still. Using the pencil brush, I want to go into the shade Deep Dive and just put that like a teensy bit on that very outer corner. Now blend. See how easily these blend out. So I don't feel like there's enough like going on, so I'm gonna actually take the shade True Bronze and put that like right in that center. I think that looks better. And just blend. Taking an angled brow brush, just a teeny one by Morphe. I'm going to take the shade Deep Dive again and just pop that on the lash line. So we have like a soft liner going on. Now for the lower lash, same shade we've started off with, Sundown. Just run it along. Pencil brush, going into the shade Magma and run that closer. And that's the eyeshadow portion done. I will add on mascara and lashes and a lip and I'll be back. Right, so that is the finished look. Lashes are on. The rest of my face is on. The lashes I'm wearing are just the Ardell Demi Wispies. They are my favourite like natural lash. On my lips is the Peaches and Cream lip liner in Punch Line, and then Doll Beauty's lipstick in Come to Mama and FOMO. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you are enjoying my series of Natasha Denona palette. This is part 3, so that's all my middies done. I've got 2 big palettes and 6 or 7 mini palettes to show you still. So if these videos are something you do enjoy, then don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like it. Thanks.